Hello, welcome to GED exam preparation class. I am your host and instructor, Ruben Herrera. In this video, we are going to learn how to solve a subtraction with decimal numbers. Once again, my friends, solving a subtraction with decimal numbers is almost the same as doing a subtraction without decimal numbers. So what we're going to do, my friends, make sure that we align our numbers correctly, and we now have the help of the decimal period to help us, because these two have to be across from each other or on top of each other. Okay, very nice. And then the rest of the numbers we are going to align accordingly. Okay, once again, just like I like to do with all my subtractions, I like to do all my borrowing first so that I don't have to worry about that later. So I know that the 4 right here is not going to go into the 9, so I'm going to add a 10th right here. So this is going to be 14, and I'm going to borrow 1. Well, supposed to be from this 0, but I cannot borrow anything from somewhere where there's nothing. So I'm going to borrow it from the 80, yes, even though there is a period right there. So how much is 80 minus 1? Because I'm borrowing 1. So that's 79. So I'm going to put 7, 9 right here, and I'm going to cancel those two. Very nice. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my subtraction. I got right here 14 minus 9 is equals to 5. Okay, and then 9 minus 1 is equals to 8. Whoop, there it is. There is my decimal period. Now 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. And here is my result for my subtraction. Very simple. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in our next lesson. Bye-bye.